Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. If you want to know how I did this style, keep on watching. So I'm starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and my hair has already started to dry. So I'm just going to section off the top part of my hair to prepare for my twists. Now that the top section has been parted, I'm just going to part the back section of my hair. So if you're not the best at parting, it's okay because you're not going to be able to see it. So my next step is to spray the back section with water and detangle just to prepare my hair for the clip-ins. So the clip-ins that I'm using for this style are from Big Chop Hair, and they are the corkscrew curls in 20 inches. So I made sure the clip-ins were a little damp before I applied them, and I love the fact that these clips have these snaps, so they are very secure on your hair. So as you can see, I'm adding one more layer of my hair on top of the clip-in just so that it can hide the track itself and it blends a little better with my hair once I start twisting. So the clip-ins come in the 1B natural hair color, and I love the fact that the color and the texture blends really well with my hair. It may not look like the texture blends pretty well with my hair right now because my hair hasn't been styled, but trust me, it does. So for my styler, I'll be using the Almond twisting butter from Camille Rose Naturals, and this is the only styling product I applied to my twists. So for my twist outs, I usually finger coil the end, and that is exactly what I did for this style. However, I do feel like it would have came out a lot better if I used a perm rod at the end. So for my style, I used one full bundle of clip-ins, and just so you know, if you have not used clip-ins before, they do include 4 different sizes and have a total of 8 clips. Just a tip, when you are detangling your hair with clip-ins in, you just want to make sure to be very careful because you don't want to pull out your clips. So now for the front of my hair, I'm just going to be spraying my hair with water and then adding a little bit more of that almond dry twisting butter and just using my brush to smooth the front of my hair down. So for the top part of my hair, I strictly just used my hair. I didn't add any additional clip-ins to it, and I used the same exact steps as I did for the bottom portion of my hair. Once you're finished with your twists, you can sit under a hooded dryer or let them air dry before you take them out. So here I am 2 days later with my hair all dry. I actually did sit under my hooded dryer right after I finished my twists, and then I left them in for 2 days. So to unravel my twists, I'll be using my Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp Oil. So as I was unraveling my twist, I just had to make sure that I was being very careful just because I still had the clip-ins in. And first I unraveled all of my twists, and then I went back in and separated my hair to get more volume. So for this particular hairstyle, I didn't use a pick to fluff out my hair because number one, I had a lot of volume already from the clip-ins, and number two, I didn't want to do anything to shift the clip-ins that were in my hair. This was my first time trying this hairstyle with these clip-ins, and I was very pleasantly surprised. And that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!